Okay, so welcome to this short little video all about the PowerMix Lever on the skyVac industrial unit. Now, there's lots of machines out there on the market that are just off-the-shelf vacuum units, really. skyVac Industrial has been designed and built to our specification, taking into account various features to make it a gutter cleaning machine. And one of them features is this PowerMix Lever. So what we do with the PowerMix Lever is for everyday general use, we have it slid over to the left. That gives us 8,000 litres per minute airflow. That's good for rapid removal of light objects such as leaves and moss and general sort of dirt, and it helps keep the motors cool as well. But when you need a little bit of extra grunt and you want to lift something heavy, so a heavy sod of earth out of a gutter, then if you slide it over here to the right, that will give you a 150-inch water lift, which sort of equates to about 5 kilos in weight. So I'd like to show you a little experiment just to explain how this PowerMix Lever works. I'm going to run a little experiment to show you how this PowerMix Lever works and how it's capable of lifting up 5 kilos of weight. What I've got here is 5 bags of pasta. Each bag of pasta weighs 1 kilo in weight. And I'm going to put the 5 bags of pasta into this carrier bag. Right. Switch all 3 motors on. By the PowerMix Lever. So what does that mean to you as a gutter cleaning expert? You can lift heavy sods of earth out of gutters like that. Okay, so thanks for watching this short little video. If you'd like to contact the office on 01604 968 700 or contact us via our website www.spinnerclean.com. We're on the end of the line or the end of an email to help you with your inquiries. Thank you.